It found all those members we had cited for contempt and invited them to show cause why they should not be committed to civil jail or punished for such. On the 16th of December, we appeared in court, and the court gave a ruling. The first ruling was on the issue of contempt. And upon listening, and I will allow, there is a clip there from the court, which we can all listen to, on the proceedings that happened in court. The court noted, and all the members who had been cited pleaded to court that they have acknowledged their mistakes, they will not interfere with the functions of the Speaker, such that the court can pardon them, not to commit them to civil jail. It's clear and it's on record. After that, the court then delves into the issue of jurisdiction, which had been raised by counsel by the County Assembly. The court noted that while this is an issue that is on discussion, either the High Court or the Employment Court can have jurisdiction over matters relating to the County Assembly Speaker. She noted that there were other matters that had been filed in the Employment Court. She did not say she doesn't have jurisdiction. The court said she has noted that there is other matters, and for the interest of justice, let this file, which is petition number 8, alongside petition number 11, which had now challenged the impeachment, be consolidated from Nyamira to Kisumu. And we confirmed to court, the clip is there, are these orders of 11th still in place? The court confirms that these orders are in place, which means the Speaker is still in office. That is on 16th, Honorable Senators. Subsequently, on 19th, the very people who were in court pleading for leniency proceeds to conduct an election of a Speaker. And that is where we are. It's a murky situation. That on one hand, we have orders. The other hand, you say you are obeying the court orders. Tomorrow, you don't obey the court orders. You move in to elect another Speaker. Upon electing another Speaker, and I will say this with tremendous respect, there are orders stopping Mr. Thaddeus Nyambaro from acting and purporting to act as a Speaker. We really don't know why he is before the Senate, because there are orders, and the place he occupies today is in contempt. We moved to court on the 20th, Honorable Senators, via petition number 1 of 2025. That is constitutional petition number 1 of 2025, challenging his election as a Speaker. Yes, it is there. That is page number, it's our next number 2C, 12C, sorry, at page number 78. 78. Allow me to explain, Honorable Senators. Annexure 12C, are we there? On the 20th of January, after vacation, we moved to court challenging the election of Thaddeus Nyambaro as the Speaker of the County Assembly of Nyamira. Of course, counsel had raised a PO on the same, which was dismissed, and upon the dismissal of the PO, the court made it clear that Mr. Thaddeus Nyambaro, I can read the orders. Number 3, pending the inter-parties hearing and determination of the instant application, conservatory order be and is hereby issued, staying the effect and implementation, including gazetting of the purported election of the first interested party as Speaker of the first respondent. Number 4, pending hearing and determination of the application herein, interim temporary injunctive orders be and are hereby issued, restraining the interested party from purporting to act and discharge of duties as Speaker of the first respondent. You've seen him clearly introduce himself as a Speaker, which is utter disrespect of the court orders. Why did we challenge his election? There was a Speaker in office, and he was a sitting member of the County Assembly, Honorable Status. Article 178, Senior Counsel, clearly says that you cannot be elected as a Speaker, whereas you are a sitting member of the County Assembly. This is the problem we've been having, with people not disrespecting the Constitution, court orders, and the law. That matter is active in court and is still pending. Allow me to move to petition number 52, which is a consolidated petition between petition number 11 and petition number 8 of Nyamira. In that petition, Honorable Senators, is the mother petition actually. We've not annexed it because it's part of petition number 8. I'll just give a preview of what is happening in that matter. The issue there is the same on the suspension and the impeachment. That petition currently is before the employment court in Kisumu, and in the state petition, it was not filed. It is the consolidated petition from Nyamira. Yes, E8 alongside E11 of 2024 became ELRC 52 of 2024 Kisumu. It's in court, Honorable Senior Counsel. On 16th, after we were in court and the same were transferred to Nyamira, to Kisumu, they were transferred with the orders in place, maintaining the position of Honorable Okero as the Speaker. I think they can play the clip before I can give the status of that petition in Kisumu.
Before you go to the clip, do you have that order of transfer, the ruling transferring?
Yes, Honorable Speaker.
Page?
In a minute.
The court found the respondent guilty of contempt of his orders.
My lady, this court issued orders. This kind of interpretation merely packages the court cannot bring in enough pronouncement when it means a finding that acknowledged station. My lady, that is exactly why this is pattern. What counsel said is exactly